9 years ago, I first published this non-surgical method for treating intervertebral hernias. Since then, more than 2.5 million people have watched the video. I've received thousands of messages from people who were able to avoid surgery and return to a full life thanks to this set of exercises. Today, I'm sharing this proven method with you, but there's one ironclad rule. Do everything as gently as possible without forcing your body. If any exercise causes pain or severe discomfort, just skip it for today. You can come back to it after a few weeks of regular practice once your body gets stronger.
Throughout the entire routine, your breathing should be calm and deep. As you inhale, move your hands behind your head, interlace your thumbs, and pull your toes away from you. While stretching the spine strongly in both directions, as you exhale, press the lumbar region firmly to the floor. Inhale deeply, slowly exhale. Inhale. Take a deep breath. As you inhale, pull your socks towards you and change the position of your toes in the lock. As we exhale, we continue stretching the spine, pressing firmly into the lower back. Inhale deeply. Slowly exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Carefully place both of your hands at about shoulder elbow. We step onto our left leg with our right foot. We perform twisting motions to the left and to the right side in a controlled manner. The head goes in the opposite direction. Slightly to the left. Please look over toward the right side of the screen. We slowly perform these twists while we are exhaling. As we inhale, we return to the central position and exhale again. We make sure that both the shoulders and shoulder blades are pressed firmly to the surface of the floor. Take a deep breath in slowly. Slowly exhaling. Slowly returning back to the central position, we switch the placement of your legs to the opposite side and continue the rhythmic motion of twisting. Focus on a deep, controlled exhalation. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Now let us go ahead and continue further. Ensure you maintain constant contact of the shoulder blades and shoulder joints with the surface of the floor throughout the movement. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Returning to the central position, bend your knees, move your hands behind your head, and pushing out your pelvis, stretch your spine towards your head. Exhalation. We try to press the sternum tightly to the chin. Inhale. Exhaling slowly. Take a deep breath in. As you inhale, lower your pelvis. We bring our hips towards us, pressing them tightly to the body. Pulling your toes forward, press your lower back to the floor. Take a deep breath in. Slowly let the air out. Exhale slowly. Now take a deep breath in. As we inhale deeply, we rise. We place our right leg behind our left knee, stretching our spine upward. We perform the twist at an accessible level, either by grabbing the knee or by grabbing the shin or foot of the bent leg. Exhalation. Constantly stretching upwards. Inhale, look over your right shoulder. Slowly exhaling. Exhale slowly. Now take a deep breath. As we inhale, we return, change the position of our legs, strongly stretching our spine upwards, and as we exhale, we repeat the twist. Mirror position of hands. The process of exhalation. Slowly exhaling. Take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale out. As we inhale, we return, bend our legs, stretch our gluteal muscles upward, fix our feet, lengthen our spine, press our ribs, and move downward in a wave. Slowly exhaling. We ensure close contact between the body and the hips. Slowly exhaling the breath now. Slowly exhaling. As you inhale, move your head up, extend your hands behind you, push your pelvis out, and move your head back, stretching your spine. Exhalation. The angle at the knees is approximately 90 degrees. Inhale deeply, slowly exhaling. Inhale deeply, slowly exhale now. As you inhale, lower your pelvis. We move on to the boat version with bent legs or with straight legs. Slowly exhaling. Slowly inhale deeply through your nose. Gently exhale all the air out. As you inhale, bend your legs, stand up, and move into the upper version of Chaturanga Dandasana. We strongly stretch the spine forward and upward through the crown of the head. The whole body is taut along the string. Exhalation. Inhale. Exhalation. Slowly exhale your breath. Now take a deep breath in. Slow exhalation. As you inhale, bend your knees, place them on the floor, resting on your toes, arching your spine, and gently moving your head back. Slowly exhaling, we round our back, shift our pelvis, and tuck our chin. Inhale. Exhalation. We launch a soft wave along the spine. Inhale. Slowly exhaling the breath out now. Take a deep breath. Now slowly exhale your breath. Take a very deep breath in. Slowly and completely exhale all the air. Now deeply inhale through your nose, expanding your chest. Slowly and fully exhale all the air. Take another deep breath in, filling your lungs. Finally, slowly exhale all the air and repeat this calming cycle. Take a deep breath in very slowly. Slowly exhaling. As you take a deep and steady breath in to inhale, slowly begin to move your body down into the lower forearm support variation position for better stability. Or we go to the full version with arms bent at the elbows. Exhalation. We stretch strongly through the crown of the head. Inhale. The whole body is taut along the string. Slowly exhaling. Inhale. Slowly exhaling. Take a deep breath in. Slowly let the air out. As you inhale, place your knees on the floor. We stand up, approach with our feet, stretching our spine, pressing our ribs tightly, and with an exhalation, we go into a Utkatasana variation with bent legs. Inhale. Exhalation. In the lower position, the neck is relaxed. If possible, straighten your legs a little more. We control the lower ribs pressed to the hips. Inhale. Slowly exhaling the breath. As you inhale, bend your legs at the knees, bring your thighs parallel to the floor, and as you exhale, stretch your arms and crown forward. Inhale. Slowly exhaling. Inhale. Slowly exhaling. Now slowly exhale your breath completely and gently place both of your palms flat down onto the floor in front of you as you prepare for the next movement. We move our feet back and lie down on our stomachs. Place your hands in front of you. Stretch your spine strongly. Move your lower ribs far forward and place them on the floor. As you exhale, open your chest, heels together, toes pointed. Inhale. Slowly exhaling. As you inhale, lift your straight legs, and as you exhale, stretch your arms forward and upward. Inhale. We stretch the crown of our head along the lines of our arms. Exhalation. Inhale. Slowly exhaling. Inhale. Slowly exhale now. As we inhale, we slowly move our pelvis back towards our heels, deeply stretching our spine, allowing for rest and compensating for the lumbar region. Exhalation. Take a deep breath in. Slowly exhaling. Take a deep breath in. Now slowly let the air out. As we take a deep breath and inhale, we slowly rise up, taking a gentle step forward with our feet, then carefully lie down on our back. We stretch our spine fully, spread our feet wide apart, open our chest toward the sky with our palms facing upward, and immerse ourselves in deep relaxation. Do this complex of exercises every day, and in a few months, you will forget about the hernia. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed watching it, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content. And please feel free to leave detailed comments about your personal progress in healing from an intervertebral hernia. All the best to you. Stay healthy and in harmony.